Sympathetic nervous system, often referred to as the fight or flight system, prepares the body for rapid, energy-consuming actions in response to stress or danger. In today's fast-paced world, chronic dominance of the sympathetic nervous system is becoming alarmingly common, and it's taking a toll on our well-being. In this video, we discover a practice which restores the balance in our nervous system. Hey dear friends, Aya here. Welcome to Conscious Movement, where we explore the depth of our reality and widen its borders. Today, we discover a simple yet efficient technique for restoring harmony in our nervous system. Let's explore together the power of resonant frequency breathing. By tuning the breath into this resonance, we stimulate the body to enter a state that activates the parasympathetic nervous system. I find this practice extremely beneficial, especially after a stressful day. This technique involves breathing at a specific rate, 6 breaths per minute, with equal durations for both inhalation and exhalation. The goal is to create a coherent and rhythmic pattern of breathing that aligns with the body's natural physiological rhythms, natural resonant frequency. We will breathe slowly. Each breath circle lasts 10 seconds, 5 seconds for inhale, 5 seconds for exhale. It's a gentle, smooth circle breath. So prepare yourself, sit comfortably, close your eyes. Let's take one deep breath. Inhale deeply through your nose. Exhale deeply through your mouth. And now, let's start. Inhale through your nose, 3, 4, 5. Exhale through your mouth, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Continue in this pace further to the peace and to the resonance of your own rhythm. Enjoy this time, which is the time dedicated to you, to balance yourself, to balance your nervous system, to reset, reconnect, recalibrate. Inhale, exhale. Let yourself immerse in this rhythm. Feel the synchronicity of your heartbeat with the breath. You are doing it great. Observe the rhythm of your breath, this creation of life. The breath is always your anchor. When you need it, you can access it. Breathe. Go with the flow of your breath, with its rhythm. Continue in this pattern. We are creating to restore the balance in your autonomic nervous system. Breathe. Breathe. Regular practice of resonant frequency breathing can have many benefits on your health. We are coming to the end of this practice. Let's take one deep breath. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale with a sigh. Really good. Do not rush. Take just a little bit more time. Take a minute to observe what you have created. Enjoy it and be grateful for it. Be grateful that you dedicated this time to yourself to feel better. The power of your breath is your ally in the quest for balance. Thank you for joining me today in order to let our breath guide us to a balanced life.